The latest of several relief flights from Puerto Rico arrived here in South Florida. CBS 4's David Sutter live at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport with a look at that. David.
Yeah, this is a grassroots operation. On the plane tonight, they had 50 wheelchairs. So many seniors that Spirit Airlines actually put doctors on the plane for just in case. Thankfully, everyone made it safely here for some emotional get-togethers here at the airport. After 13 days in isolation, hundreds of families reunited at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. The 228 passengers evacuees from hurricane-ravaged Puerto Rico. Spirit Airlines donating the seats.
So many of our own team members have friends and loved ones in Puerto Rico. We felt that we wanted to give back to the Caribbean, and especially through all they've been through.
Irasaida Mendez is grateful.
It was unachievable, and this actually made it happen.
This relief flight actually started with Chris and Carla Sloan, a South Florida family who couldn't believe relief supplies were stuck in port cities in Puerto Rico.
Let's rent a plane, let's pay for gas, let's get it down there because we have the direct connection to get it into people's hands.
The effort took off. This is the third relief flight. Spirit employees loading the plane by hand overnight, then unloading by hand in Puerto Rico. And Sloan's pop-up grassroots organization making sure the supplies get to where they needed to go.
Not languishing in warehouses, not sitting there in bureaucracies. They're in the hands of people. And that was really our promise.
Spirit ran the flights with a skeleton crew so they could return with as many evacuees as possible. Many employees working despite a very difficult situation.
My mom is there, my sister, my children. I have a 14-year-old and a 13-year-old. They are with their dad. I have not heard from them in 4 days.
The effort, well worth it. And a happy reunion there. There is something to be said here for Spirit Airlines. The low-fare air carrier usually gets a lot of negative press. This is certainly something different. All of the employees very excited to be part of something making a difference for the folks in Puerto Rico. We're live at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. David Sutter, CBS 4 News tonight.